Hi there. I'm teacher Bruno, and today we're going to talk about the verb to be. The verb to be is extremely important because it's used in different contexts. And these contexts are really useful for everyday conversation. Let's take a look at some of these contexts in English. Starting off with introductions. We use the verb to be for introducing people. Okay, you can say, my name is John. No problem whatsoever. But it's best to use the verb to be. I am. Just like in the example over here. I am Stephen, and this is Isabella. This is my daughter. This is Peter. That's John. Verb to be. Am, is, are. Let's take a look at the conjugation of the verb. Well, for present simple, we use I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Let's divide this in two parts, singular and plural. Let's not forget that you, it's used for singular and also for plural. So it depends on the context. If I am talking to one person, singular, you are. You are a student, singular form. If I am talking to two people, you are students. Pay attention to the plural form here. You are students. This is plural. Let's proceed to the negative form. We simply add not. I am not. You were not. He is not. She is not. It's not, etc., etc. It's important to mention there are two different possible contractions. Firstly, you were not. So we contract the pronoun you and the conjugation of the verb to be. You were. That's totally fine, no problem. You aren't is the second option. So I can say, you aren't Canadian. That's the negative form. Now let's go back to the different contexts of the verb to be. We use it for introducing people, like we previously discussed. We use it for ages. I am 5 years old. I am 10. I'm 20, 30, 40. Two options here. You can either say years old, or you can simply say the number. I'm 24, and my father is 50. Singular is, plural are. Imagine two twin brothers. They are, or simply they're. They're 10 years old. They're 20. They're 30. This is plural form. The next context we use the verb to be, jobs. I'm a teacher and my wife is a doctor. I'm an engineer. You were an architect. So on and so forth. The next context is nationalities. I'm from Brazil. You were from Italy. He's from Portugal. She's from Spain. It. Let's talk about it in closer detail. It is used for objects, things, and animals. Well, if you have a pet, you probably like it a lot. And for this reason, that's totally fine to use he or she. Animals from the zoo, best to use it. Proceeding from here, we have the question form. In the verb to be, not only, but today let's just talk about it. We simply change the order. In the next classes, you're also going to see that we use this pattern for all the verb tenses and many others like modal verbs, etc., etc. But that's a topic for another day. We change the order and pay attention to your intonation. Am I? Are you? Are you paying attention? Is he? Is she? Is it? Connecting the sounds. Connected speech is an essential and crucial part of the English language. So if you have a consonant and a vowel, let's connect both of them. Is it? Are we? Are they? So this is the question form of the verb to be. Now let's return one more time to the contexts where we should use it. Feelings. I'm scared. I'm happy. I'm confused. She's very tired. Colors. Our dog is black. His eyes are blue. Prices. It's £7. It's $10. It's €5. Weather, time, and we also use it for descriptions. So in this short video, you have learned the importance of the verb to be and how to use it in the positive, negative, and interrogative form. One more thing before we finish, short answers. To avoid excessive repetition, I advise you to use the short forms. For example, question. Are you a doctor? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Pay attention to the pronoun. He, is he 20 years old? No, he's not. Yes, he is. So we use the same pronoun. Well, I would like to say thank you very much for watching today's video about the verb to be. And if you have any questions, you can simply leave it on the comment section. Thank you very much and see you again in the next lesson.